Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card you're making today. I really love it. It's this beautiful silhouette card with a blended background. So let me show you how I did it. We're going to be using a new product from Stampin', these blending brushes, and they are so soft. I mean, oh, beautifully soft little hairs, bristles here. And as you can see, even though it's got a colour here, it's clean, and to clean them off I just tend to wipe them across until there's no more colour coming off, and then I keep one of these for each of the different colour groups, so like yellow and orange, rare, yellow and orange, blues, violet, indigo, greens, just for the different colour families in the rainbow. So I don't have that many then. You don't need one for every colour or anything like that. So you're just going to get some ink, as you can see here. And you're just going to start off the page and you're just going to bring the ink in, and it blends it beautifully, as you can see. And you don't have to worry like I used to do on my old one with the sponges. I used to squeak like I never squeaked before. I don't have this problem with blending brushes. I don't squeak, which is really nice. Okay, so that's my first easy layer of colour down. Okay, so and I'm just going to wipe it off here. Normally I'd use some kitchen towel and just wipe it off, but I don't have any up here with me. You can use a cloth as well. Now I'm just going to bring in my next colour, which is Mango Melody, which I'm going to blend in. And then just keep building it up. And I'm going around the edges because I want the edges to be darker with a lighter bit, hopefully, in the middle. Like that. Okay, so that was your Mango Melody. Now I'm going to use some pumpkin pie. For the very edges. And I'm just going in circles. It just helps, I find it helps me to blend better. I'm trying to remember to come from off the cardstock to on, so I don't get a harsh line. Something like that, and that's perfect. So you can just, you can even do on the back here, but you can see there's not actually a lot coming off, so you can just wipe it off on some kitchen towel and it'll be fine, and you get it as a pack of 3 like that. Okay, so now time for some stamping. I'm going to be using the Stampin' for ease, and I'm going to put my paper somewhere like that. I want it to be off because I want to be able to have things hanging off. So let's see where we're going to put it. I think actually like that. Keep this here for now. And I'm going to put this one like this. And then I'm going to take the other one and put it like that. Okay. And this stamp set here, Corner Bouquet, it's one of the celebration sets. So for every £45 you spend in the annual catalogue or the mini catalogue, you can choose an item for free from the celebration. And this is one of these gorgeous free items. So why not? We all like a bargain. So I'm going to be stamping here in Memento. You can stamp in whatever you like. Memento is just a colour I really like. Giving it a really good ink up. The reason I'm stamping at the Stampin' Artist is that if I make a boo-boo, if it doesn't stamp that well for some reason, I can redo it. But actually, I'm really happy with that, so I'm going to leave it. Okay, and it's from the stamp set, Peaceful Movement. These are the moments we'll look back on with joy, which is this one here. And we're just going to stamp it here in the centre. We get it just down. Give it a good press. Lovely. Clean it up. Okay. Now you notice here I've got a bit of a smudge and a boo-boo, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to cover that up now. So I'm going to go back to my original stamp set, and I'm going to use this little ferny thing, and we're going to have just some foliage coming down there. Like that. An extra piece of foliage. And that just covers up the boo-boo. So I just wanted to keep that in there and show you that there's 99% of the time there's a way to fix your mistakes. Give everything clean up. But this is why I like to clean up as I go along, because otherwise smudges and things fall into ink by mistake and all sorts of stuff. So this way you stop any of those problems. So bring back our card base. Our card base is thick Whisper White. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And we're just going to stick down our piece of Whisper White that we've been playing with to that. Make sure you do it the right way around. And then we're done. That's it. Really simple. You can add some gems if you want or something, but I just liked it like that. So let me know what you think. I love the blending brushes. I think they're absolutely magnificent, so do check those out. If you like the project, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about the project, supply list, the links to my online shop for the blending brushes, etc., it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes my Facebook group where we host an online monthly card club via Facebook Live, so please do check us out. We'd love to have you join. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!